Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2011 Mitsubishi ASX two-wheel drive, stock reference number 5124. This shape runs from the 7th month 2010 through to the 6th month 2013. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight. Left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door has two small dents. Right front door has one small dent. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise control. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.